People started to say real nice things. Thought maybe they changed how they used to think. They used to think. But after all, there's nothing left to say. They're old now. They still don't think I'm something. My brand new jeans won't make them come around. Maybe if I looked differently, I wouldn't need these brand new jeans. These brand new jeans. If I could inject some brand new jeans, pierce into my skin, into my bloodstream, maybe they like me. But after all, there's nothing left to say. They're old now. They still don't think I'm something. Brand new jeans won't make them come around. But after all, there's nothing left to say. They're old now. They still don't think I'm something. My brand new jeans won't make them come around.
Heat underneath everything that lives in me screams what I need. So come around, give me relief. I'm in a cage, in lights where people stare. You feel, I know, but you ain't never there. Tightrope's all over my head, you got me hanging from a thread. Neon lights, take me back, someone step closer to the edge. In the air before I breathe, golden flames surround me. But somehow I'm alright, spending night with everything. Tell me to come down, and you know that I'll get higher. I'm what you waiting for, come walk into my fire. One shot, hands up, no one to protect your soul. If this is our love, we're burning up, burning love. We're burning up, burning surrounded by your mystery, make me believe in more than what's in front of me. Love like a thief, criminal, you've stolen me. Can't you see? 'Cause I'm like crazy, baby. Safe to say it's risky. Once you cross this, there's no chance of honesty. There's no ceasefire. Fight your fear with desire. This was our love, and I feel it burning up. Tell me to come down, and you know that I'll get higher. I'm what you waiting for. Come walk into my fire. One shot, hands up. No one to protect your soul. If what's inside of me. I don't know if it's dream or reality, 'cause your lies and your pain makes me wanna scream, but I'm finding a way that will set me free. I'm so addicted to you, I'm so conflicted with you. Why can't you see that we're through? Better believe that it's true. I should have opened my eyes, seen through your ugly disguise. You were destined to be my greatest enemy. Let me be, just go away. I'll leave in this mess. You've done your part, you broke my heart. I'll leave with no regrets. 'Cause you make me wanna do the things I would never do. I'm moving on as I'm fighting what's inside of me. I don't know if it's dream or reality, 'cause your lies and your pain makes me wanna scream, but I'm finding a way that will set me free. I'm so addicted to you, I'm so conflicted with you. Why can't you see that we're through? Better believe that it's true. I should have opened my eyes, seen through your ugly disguise. You were destined to be my greatest enemy. You try to take the best of me. Nothing you will do will stop this fire. You try to break what's left of me. You don't know what pain is till we're done. I'm moving on as I'm fighting what's inside of me. I don't know if it's dream or reality, 'cause your lies and your pain makes me wanna scream, but I'm finding a way that will set me free. I'm so addicted to you, I'm so conflicted with you. Can't you see that we're working? Believe we're through. I should have opened my eyes, seen through your ugly disguise. You were destined to be my greatest enemy.
Told me you loved me, was your one and only, only. Now I'm sitting here lonely. What made you change your mind? Did everything I could do. Lost myself loving you. Just wanted the truth. But our love became a lie. Now my friends are leaving without me. I'm still thinking about you. Left me in the corner and I'm trying to move. Drunk over you. I got this feeling that it's deep in my soul. I don't want you to know that I'm alone. I got this feeling that it's keeping hold. I don't want you to know that I'm alone. I can't let you go. Don't want it to show. You're keeping a hold of me, of me, of me. I'm sitting here alone. My faith became broken, broken. My world has been stolen, stolen. I'm still sitting here trying to make it all make sense. Now my friends are leaving without me. I'm still thinking about you. Left me in the corner and I'm trying to move. Drunk over you. I got this feeling that it's deep in my soul. I don't want you to know that I'm alone. I got this feeling that it's keeping up. I don't want you to know that I'm alone. I can't let you go. Don't want it so. You're keeping a hold of me, Yeah, I'm sitting here alone. Gotta find a way to keep on going. Build my strength and keep it growing. I'll get over you, and I know that. But I got this feeling that it's deep in my soul. I don't want you to know that I'm alone. I got this feeling that it's keeping up. I don't want you to know that I'm alone. I can't let you go. Don't want it so. You're keeping a hold of me, Yeah, I'm sitting here alone.
One day it's gonna go up in flames, the volcano, come back, and the night sky will go black. How human do you think we are? These two corners up, points out west to the rich. Fire to the standing still. Up in flames, the volcano been back, and the night sky will go black. I'm not a cloud, said the cloud, and then he changed his mind. I'm not a man, said the man, I just do what I can. I'm not a bomb, said the bomb, and then it went off in my head. I wanna see the whole you, and not just the tattoos, but all of the shadows from your secret battles. I wanna hear the whole truth, unless you wanna like us. I believe in a heartbeat, to see the story you see. I'm not a song, said the song. Who else would you wanna be? I'm not a bone, rattle a bone, holding me up like a tree. I'm not a fool anymore. You see what you wanna see. But I wanna see the whole you, and not just the tattoos, but all of the shadows from your secret battle. I wanna hear the whole truth, unless you wanna like us. I believe in a heartbeat, to see the story you see. Shouldn't run with my finger on the trigger, got a wall. Shouldn't run with my finger on the trigger, got a wall. Shouldn't run with my finger on the trigger, got a wall. 'Cause I wanna see the whole you, and not just the tattoos, but all of the shadows from your secret battles. I wanna hear the whole truth, unless you wanna like us. I believe in a heartbeat, to see the story you see. I wanna see the whole you, and not just the tattoos, but all of the shadows from your secret battle. I wanna hear the whole truth, unless you wanna like us. I believe in a heartbeat, to see the story you see. I wanna see the whole you, and not just the tattoos, but all of the shadows from your secret battle. I wanna hear the whole truth, unless you wanna like us. I believe in a heartbeat, to see the story you see. Let it slide, nod, and wave goodbye. Hold the tongue to the roof inside. Embrace and fall so far along the way, till my body says I'm all done. And the beautiful shape of the moon comes to mind, like the beautiful shape of your lips touching mine. And the beautiful shape of the moon comes to mind. mind. Like the beautiful shape of your lips touching mine.